EDaily conversation.
Feeling nervous.
I feel a little nervous right now.
Why do you feel nervous?
I want to talk to that person over there.
Are you afraid to start a conversation?
Yes, I do not know what to say.
That is normal when you meet a stranger.
I worry that I might say something wrong.
You do not need to worry too much.
It is hard for me to talk to new people.
You can start with a simple greeting.
I think I can say hello first.
Yes, that is a good way to begin.
My heart is beating a little fast.
Try to relax and take a deep breath.
I will try to stay calm.
You can do it.
I want to become more confident.
This is a good chance to practice.
Yes, I will try to talk to that person.
That is a great decision.
I am still a little nervous.
That's okay. Just take the first step.
I will walk over there now.
Good luck. You will do well.
Starting conversation.
Hello, excuse me.
Hello, how can I help you?
I just wanted to say hello.
That is very kind of you.
My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am new in this place.
Welcome. I hope you like it here.
Thank you. It seems like a nice place.
What are you doing here today?
I am just looking around and exploring.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, I like to see new places.
That is a good hobby.
I was a little nervous to talk to you.
Really? You seem very friendly.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
You are doing great.
Asking questions.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Yes, of course you can.
How long have you been here?
I have been here for about 3 years.
That is quite a long time.
Yes, I know this place very well.
What do you like about this place?
I like the people and the environment.
That sounds nice.
What about you? Where are you from?
I am from a small town nearby.
That is interesting.
Do you work or study here?
I work in an office near here.
That must be convenient.
Yes, it is very close to my home.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and walking in the park.
Those are relaxing activities.
Yes, they help me feel calm.
I also like walking outside.
That is great. We have something in common.
Talking comfortably.
I feel more comfortable talking now.
That is good to hear.
You are very easy to talk to.
Thank you. You are very friendly too.
I am glad I started this conversation.
Me too. It is nice to meet new people.
I was nervous at first.
You did very well.
Now I feel more confident.
That is a great feeling.
Talking to strangers is not so scary.
Yes, it can be a good experience.
I am happy we met today.
I am happy too.
This conversation is very enjoyable.
I agree with you.
Maybe we can talk again another time.
Yes, I would like that.
Ending conversation.
It was nice talking with you.
It was nice talking with you too.
Thank you for your time.
You are welcome.
I need to go now.
That is okay.
I hope we can meet again.
Yes, I hope so too.
Have a nice day.
You too. Have a great day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Take care of yourself.
You too. Take care.
See you next time.
See you again.